Have you ever understood an English conversation but couldn't think of the right words to answer?
Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners know grammar, but they don't get enough practice using English in real conversations.
Today, you're going to learn English by listening to a natural conversation between two friends. Along the way, you'll discover useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, and speaking tips that you can start using immediately. Let's begin.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Speak English with confidence, one conversation at a time.
Hello, Alice.
Hi, Alex. Sorry I'm a little late.
That's okay. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
Really? Thanks for waiting.
No problem at all. How have you been?
I've been doing well. It's been a busy week, so I'm happy the weekend is finally here.
I know exactly what you mean. I've been looking forward to relaxing.
Me too. It feels good to slow down for a while.
It certainly does. Sometimes life gets so busy that we forget to take a break.
That's true. Spending time with a friend always helps me feel better.
I couldn't agree more. Good conversations can make a normal day feel special.
This cafe smells wonderful. Fresh coffee always puts me in a good mood.
It does. Have you decided what you'd like to order?
Not yet. I'm thinking about getting a cappuccino. What about you?
I usually order a latte, but today I might try something different.
Really? That's surprising. I thought you always ordered the same drink.
I usually do, but it's fun to try something new once in a while.
You're right. Sometimes we stay in our comfort zone for too long.
Exactly. Small changes can make everyday life more interesting.
Speaking of changes, I've started studying English every morning.
That's great. What does your routine look like?
First, I read a short English story. Then, I listen to an English podcast while I eat breakfast.
That sounds like an excellent routine.
I hope so. I want to become more confident when I speak English.
You're already moving in the right direction. Practicing a little every day is one of the best ways to improve.
Really? I used to think studying for several hours on Saturday was enough.
Long study sessions can help, but daily practice usually works better because your brain remembers information more easily.
That explains why I forget new vocabulary after a few days.
Exactly. Learning a word is only the first step. You need to hear it, say it, and use it in conversations.
So I shouldn't only memorize vocabulary lists?
Memorizing can help, but using new words in real situations helps you remember them much longer.
I like that idea. It feels much more natural.
That's because language is meant to be used, not just studied.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Sometimes I understand English videos, but when someone asks me a question, I suddenly don't know what to say.
That's very common. Listening and speaking are different skills. Understanding English is one step. Speaking it confidently takes practice.
So there's nothing wrong with me.
Not at all. Every English learner experiences that at some point.
That's good to hear. Sometimes I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new.
I guess I've been worrying too much.
Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Nobody rides perfectly on the first day.
That's true. Everyone falls a few times.
Exactly. The important thing is to get back up and keep practicing.
I'll remember that.
Good. Now here's a question for you. What do you usually do on weekends?
That's a good question.
Think about your answer in English. Try to say at least 3 complete sentences. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking. Every conversation makes you a little more confident. Let's continue our conversation.
Great. I was thinking about what you said earlier. Daily practice really does seem more effective than studying for many hours only once a week.
It usually is. Even 15 or 20 minutes each day can make a big difference over time.
Sometimes I don't have much free time. What should I do on busy days?
Keep it simple. Read one short article, listen to a 5-minute podcast, or learn 3 new words. Small steps are still progress.
I like that. It feels much easier than trying to do everything at once.
Exactly. Learning English is like planting a tree. You water it a little every day, and slowly it grows stronger.
That's a nice example. I'll remember it.
Here's another tip. Try to think in English instead of translating everything from your first language.
That sounds difficult.
At first, yes, but you can start with easy thoughts.
Like what?
When you wake up, you can say, "Today's going to be a busy day."
Or when I'm making breakfast, I could say, I'm making eggs and toast.
Exactly. Those simple sentences train your brain to use English naturally.
I never thought about that before.
Yes, it means don't worry, or it's okay.
So if I'm late and my friend says no worries, they're saying it's not a problem?
Exactly.
I'm definitely going to use that expression.
Great. Learning useful expressions makes your English sound more natural.
Alex, can I ask one more question?
Of course.
What's the biggest mistake English learners make?
Many people wait until they feel perfect before they start speaking.
I used to think that way.
But perfection isn't the goal. Communication is.
So it's okay if I make small grammar mistakes.
Absolutely. If people understand you, you're already communicating successfully.
That takes away a lot of pressure.
Good. Confidence grows through practice, not perfection.
I think many learners need to hear that.
I agree. Here's another challenge for everyone watching.
Listen carefully and answer this question in English.
What did you do yesterday?
Try using the past tense.
You can say something simple like, "Yesterday I went to work."
Or, yesterday I stayed home and watched a movie.
Pause for a moment and create your own answer.
Ready?
Great. Let's learn a few useful words and expressions from today's conversation. The first word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, reading every morning is part of my routine.
The next word is consistent.
If you're consistent, you keep doing something regularly without giving up.
Example, she is consistent with her English practice.
Our next expression is take your time.
It means you don't need to hurry.
Example, take your time, there's no rush.
Another expression is no worries.
It means it's okay or don't worry.
Example, thanks for waiting.
No worries.
Finally, remember today's most important idea.
You don't become confident by waiting.
You become confident by practicing.
One conversation.
One new word.
One small step.
Every single day.
That's how real progress happens. Now let's practice your listening skills.
This time, just listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word the first time.
Ready? Let's begin.
Hi, Alex. Sorry I'm a little late.
That's okay. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
I'm glad to hear that. It's been such a busy week.
I know. That's why it's nice to relax and catch up with a friend.
I've started practicing English every morning.
That's a great habit. Small steps every day lead to big improvements.
Sometimes I make mistakes when I speak.
That's completely normal. Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Thanks, Alex. That makes me feel much more confident.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and you'll improve every day.
Did you understand the conversation?
Let's check together.
Why was I a little late?
That's right. I arrived only a few minutes earlier, so it wasn't a problem.
What new habit did I start?
Correct. I started practicing English every morning.
What did Alex say about mistakes?
Exactly. Mistakes help us learn and improve.
If you understood most of that conversation, well done.
If you missed a few words, don't worry. Listening gets easier every time you practice.
Now let's practice speaking together.
Listen first. Good morning.
Now you say it.
Good morning.
Excellent.
Nice to see you.
Your turn.
Nice to see you.
Great job.
How have you been?
Repeat after Alex.
How have you been?
Very good.
I've been busy this week.
Again.
I've been busy this week.
Well done.
I'm trying to improve my English.
Let's break it into smaller parts.
I'm trying.
Repeat.
I'm trying.
Great.
I'm trying to improve.
Repeat.
I'm trying to improve.
Excellent.
I'm trying to improve my English.
Say the whole sentence.
I'm trying to improve my English.
Fantastic.
Practice speaking slowly before trying to speak quickly.
Clear pronunciation is more important than fast pronunciation.
Let's try another sentence. I practice English every day.
Repeat.
I practice English every day.
Wonderful.
Consistency helps me improve.
Your turn.
Consistency helps me improve.
Excellent work.
Here's a pronunciation tip.
In natural English, native speakers often connect words together.
Listen carefully. I've been.
Notice that it sounds smooth, not like two completely separate words.
Repeat with me. I've been.
Again.
I've been.
Great.
Now try this one. I'd like.
Listen carefully.
I'd like.
Repeat.
I'd like.
Excellent.
One more. Don't worry.
Native speakers often say it naturally and smoothly.
Don't worry.
Repeat.
Don't worry.
Very nice.
Remember, confidence grows every time you speak.
Now, let's review today's vocabulary.
The first word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, reading before bed is part of my daily routine.
Next is consistent.
Consistent means doing something regularly without giving up.
Example, she is consistent with her English practice.
The next word is confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself and your ability.
Example, practice gives you more confidence.
Our next word is improve.
Improve means to become better.
Example, I want to improve my English speaking skills.
The next word is habit.
A habit is something you do often until it becomes natural.
Example, reading every day is a healthy habit.
Now let's review some useful expressions.
Catch up.
It means to spend time talking to someone after not seeing them for a while.
Example, let's meet this weekend and catch up.
Take your time.
It means there's no need to hurry.
Example, take your time. I'm not in a rush.
No worries.
It means it's okay or don't worry about it.
Example, thanks for helping me.
No worries.
Looking forward to.
It means you're happy or excited about something in the future.
Example, I'm looking forward to our next lesson.
Keep it up.
It means continue doing a good job.
Example, your English is improving. Keep it up.
Before we finish this part, here's one last speaking challenge.
Answer these questions out loud.
What is your daily English routine?
What new word did you learn today?
What are you looking forward to this week?
Try answering in complete sentences.
Don't worry about mistakes.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
And remember, every conversation is another step towards speaking English naturally. You've done a great job so far. Now it's time for a quick quiz to see what you remember.
Don't worry if you don't know every answer, just do your best.
Question 1.
Which expression means don't hurry?
A. Catch up.
B. Take your time.
C. Keep it up.
Think about your answer.
The correct answer is B. Take your time.
We use this expression when we want someone to relax and not feel rushed.
Great. Let's move on to question 2.
What does the word routine mean?
A. A surprise.
B. Something you do regularly.
C. A special celebration.
What's your answer?
The correct answer is B. A routine is something you do regularly.
For example, reading before bed is part of my daily routine.
Excellent. Here's question 3.
Which sentence is correct?
I practice English every day.
B. I practice English every days.
C. I practicing English every day.
Choose your answer.
The correct answer is A. I practice English every day.
Remember, after I, we use the base form of the verb, practice.
Here's question 4.
What does the expression catch up mean?
A. To run very fast.
B. To spend time talking with someone after not seeing them for a while.
C. To finish your homework.
Think carefully.
The correct answer is B.
For example, let's have coffee this weekend and catch up.
Great work. Now for our final question.
Which habit helps you improve your English the most?
A. Practicing a little every day.
B. Studying only once a month.
C. Waiting until you feel perfect before speaking.
What's your answer?
The correct answer is A.
Small, consistent practice leads to steady improvement.
How many questions did you answer correctly?
If you got all 5 right, fantastic.
If you missed 1 or 2, don't worry.
Every listen helps you become a stronger English speaker.
Today, you learned several useful words.
Routine,
Consistent.
confidence,
Improve.
habit,
You also learned helpful everyday expressions.
catch up,
Take your time.
no worries,
Looking forward to.
keep it up.
We also practiced speaking in complete sentences.
We practice listening to a natural conversation.
And most importantly, we learned that confidence comes from practice.
Remember, you don't have to speak perfect English.
You just need to keep speaking.
Every conversation teaches you something new.
Every new word makes your vocabulary stronger.
Every minute you spend listening improves your understanding.
And every time you speak, your confidence grows.
Here's a small challenge before our next lesson.
Today, try using one new expression from this lesson in a real conversation.
If you don't have someone to practice with, speak to yourself in English.
Describe your morning.
Talk about your plans.
Tell a short story about your day.
The important thing is to keep using English.
We'd love to hear from you.
In the comments, tell us which new word or expression was your favorite.
You can also write 1 or 2 sentences in English using today's vocabulary.
We'll be reading your comments, and it's a great way to practice your writing.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, we'd be happy to see you again in our next lesson.
There are many more everyday conversations, vocabulary lessons, listening exercises, and speaking practice sessions waiting for you.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
Your English gets better every single day.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.